Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's session of the Philippine Sports Writers Association. We are here right at the conference hall of the Philippine Sports Commission, right inside the Rizal Memorial Sports Complex in Manila. And today we will be having two topics. It's a running down south, and we will be talking also about athletics in the coming Paris Olympics. I'm running along with Manila Standard. Good morning, brother.
Good morning, Randy. Good morning, Philippine Sports Writers Association. We welcome you to another interesting forum for today. Hope that you're with us through our live streaming at our page. That's Philippine Sports Writers Association. And later, on a delayed basis, over Radyo Pilipinas 2, 918 kHz, ang ating pa ring sports radio. Ako po si Judith Carinal.
Before anything else, partner, in behalf of PSA President Desmond Beltran of the Philippine Star, we would like to thank our sponsors, San Miguel Corporation, Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, Smart PLDT, Milo Philippines, and Arena Plus.
Okay, first part of our session, we'll be talking about the Battle of the South Fun Run. So we have three guests for today. The race ambassador, Ana Teresa Rosate. Welcome to the PSA Forum. And then we have two from different brands. On Shoes Marketing Manager, Azel De La Cruz. Hello. And from Marketing Officer of New Era Philippines, si Bojan Saki. Welcome to the PSA Forum. What's this Battle of the South Fun Run? How different this fun run to other competition? Yes, good morning, Anna. Welcome to the session.
Hi, good morning to everyone. Thank you for spending your time with us. And Battle of the South, mangyayari siya on September 7 at the Invest Manila. So what is the difference of this fun run sa ibang race event? So first, sabi ko nga kanina, we have a personal touch with this event. Paano yung personal touch? Sa race kit pa lang or sa singlet pa lang, you can see it first. Dito pa lang sa singlet namin, you can request or you can put your team name sa front ng singlet. So, ayan siya. Kung ano yung team name, team name nyo, kung saan kayo belong, ayun, pwede natin ilagay yung logo dito sa harapan. Then, second one, at the back of the singlet is your name. So, yan po yung isa sa mga difference na partner namin Battle of the South sa ibang race event na naganap na. Because we all know naman, di ba, nag-start na po yung running era natin ngayon. So, kahit sabihin natin na marami ng race event before, iba pa rin yung hype ng running era ngayon. One of the reason is yung social media. Kaya sobrang hype na running community because of the social media. So, ayun, we want to promote the running community, the race event, and dito sa race event namin, Battle of the South, gusto namin na mas i-push yung running, not just alone. Kaya kami nagkaroon na name ng team sa harapan or logo ng team sa harapan ng uniform. Kasi nga, di ba minsan parang medyo nakakalungkot tumakbo mag-isa. Iba pa rin yung may nag-push sa atin. So why not we run with our team? Diba? Mas okay yung tumakbo tayo kasama yung team natin. So ayun, one of the reason talaga kung bakit ba to sa ibang or mas maganda or mas ano yung advantages namin sa ibang race event is yung personal touch namin sa squad natin.
Okay, thank you. Now let's have the marketing manager of On Shoes. Yes, good morning.
Morning, everyone. I'm Zel, so I'm from Dance Group, that's my shop name. We're the official distributor of On shoes, accessories, and apparel in the Philippines. So On Philippines is one of the supporters of Battle of the South this coming September. So the brand On, it's a premium sportswear brand from Switzerland. So the mission is, of course, to ignite the human spirit through movement. So any form of movement, yun yung priority, like from running or doing tennis or as simple as gym work. So, yun. So we're part of the event this September, and here in the Philippines, we also have a running group or a running club, which is ROC Crew Manila, the Running Clouds Crew Manila. So every month we do sessions, training runs. One of the sites that we have is Alabang, Philinvest. So kaya yun, we thought of partnering with the event, for the event.
About the other partner, New Era, Philippines, yes, Bojet.
Morning everyone, Bojas from New Year Philippines. Recently we had an event with the running of organizing and we sponsored hats. So New Era has always been a part of sports ever since, mainly in MLB, NFL, and the NBA. But with other sports and other activities and that is happening already, especially in the running era right now. New Era is also looking into these things for future events also.
Budget, New Era has been in the business, for a long time. And it was popular in basketball. Until now,
Yes.
it's been a popular brand of basketball. Since when did you start producing for runners?
Recently, actually, we don't have a collection yet, specifically for runner. But we are looking into that. We hope New Era will be having that very much. But we have outdoor collections that can be used for running. Yes. Like we have like dry fit, linens,
Yeah, yung materials, how is it different from the other materials?
So usually the materials will be yung mga usual caps natin will be silk, cotton. But this one, yung for running, yung mga outdoor activities natin would be will be waterproof for running, mga ganun.
Like materials.
For example, I forgot what it's called, but yung mga dry fit and also we have this Cordura fabric.
Sa ano naman, viewers din tayo sa on. Now, it's on lang pala.
Yes,
Not
on.
on now. Kasi OC di ba?
Actually, the
So-
logo, it looks like parang akala mo ang basa niya OC, QC, but it's on kasi yung upo, the traditional switch, you switch it on.
On.
Yes, opo. And
C
before,
pala yun. Ay, N pala yun.
oo, upo and N. So before on running yung tawag, yung brand name, but now it's on, simply on, because we now have mga tennis shoes.
Ano pa yung mga ibang ninyo? Variants, no? For anong sport?
We have, of course, majority ko for running. We have for gym or yung mga training, cross training. We have tennis, we have lifestyle. So yun po yung, we also have outdoor. So mga pang trail running, hiking.
Balik tayo. Ano yung mga categories ninyo and how do we participate or register? At saka magkano yung mga yung registration fee per categories? Per category.
We have 4 categories po. One is 1K. Pet run po yun. You can run with your pet. Then another one is
With pet yun?
with pet. Yes.
Pet yun.
Opo.
So yun lang ang kasama of course yung
Kasama yung runner.
1K lang.
Hindi pwede wala kang pet.
Pwede naman, so pet race talaga siya.
Talagang pet race siya. 1 kilometer pet run race. Okay.
Then second one is 3K for runners na po yun. Then third one is 5K and then last one is 10K.
How much yung registration?
Yung mga
Registration fee. Registration fee.
registration fee po, they can check the website po namin sa
Which
Sports
is?
Studio. Ayun po, then andun na rin po yung registration link namin para ma-check nila yung details
Okay.
ng event.
So doon lang pwede mag-register sa website? Through the website? Online
through the website,
registration?
through the link. Wala pa kami, so far wala pa kami on-site registration. Pero we're trying to work po. Pero ayun, mag-i-email na lang.
And how, ano yung mga kasama sa kit?
Sa kit po, automatically may personalized. Ingles nga po tayo, kagaya ng binigay ko kanina. Personalized kasi you can request for your logo name or the logo team and your name at the back. Same time kasama na rin po yung dog tag.
Dog tag.
It's not just dog tag.
So what's in the dog tag? No?
Dog tag, yes, ito po yung mag-service medal natin. Pero yung difference nito kasi, ilalagay din dito sa dog tag yung information natin. So talagang may touch tayo sa dog tag natin, not just medal, andito yung personal information natin.
How is it important to have a dog tag for a runner or
For
cyclist
me,
for that one?
Aside sa stylish siya, maganda sa forma, ano po, kasi we can never know ano yung pwede mangyari sa atin while running, di ba? Baka naku-woods ko naman sana. Ayun, baka magkaroon tayo ng accident, then at least dito kapag we have this road tag or dog tag, dito yung emergency information natin. They can also even hear yung blood type natin, kung ano yung for emergency na process na kailangan gawin sa atin. Nandito yung mga personal information natin.
First time, ano? Kasama
Yes,
sa
this is
fitness
the first
dog.
time I think for almost 2 years na nag-race ako. Parang this is the first time na may personalized medal na matatanggap yung runner natin. So, this is not just a medal. Medal to or dog tag to na pwede natin maggamit sa running natin.
That's the finisher's medal. Ano?
Yes.
For all categories there.
Ito na rin po yun.
Right?
What's at stake sa mga top finishers? Anong premyo? Top 3 ba? Top 5? Top 10?
We have different category po. Meron po kaming top 5 for group. And then, meron din po kami for individual.
Okay. How about on and then new era? Meron special gifts from the 2 brands to the winners?
Of course, meron po. So, we're currently working on that since yun nga po, malapit na yung events in September. So, we're finalizing the details. But of course, we have something for the winners or a raffle off to the participants.
Battle of the South Fun Run. Why Battle of the South? And ano pa yung gusto nyo i-promote dito? You were mentioning about, teamwork.
Battle of the South, since I devoted na naman sa South, but this is open for everyone po na gusto mong pag-join. Kasi nga, di ba po, ang lalayo ng mga event from different places talaga, for on North, for on dito sa atin, sa Pasay. So, ang layo, parang, paano naman kami yung mga taga-South? So, ginawa ko, not just for the South, para din sa mga taga-North na kayo naman yung lumayo sa amin. Doon naman kayo sa amin, doon pa kayo tumakbo sa amin. Maganda din sa lugar namin. So, hindi lang expect ko sa event namin. Ayun nga, kagaya na nabanggit ko kanina, this is more on teamwork. Kaya we have group run mo or group team mo sa category namin na pwede kayong manalo as a team. Pero hindi naman po yung sabay-sabay kayo talagang mag-finish line. If you register po as a team, so kung sino man po mag-register kayo as a team for that day, sino man po sa team nyo ang mauuna sa finish line, so automatically siya yung mag-first po sa category na team. So, kaya gusto rin namin i-promote yung teamwork kasi minsan nga, di ba, parang nakakahina yung tumakbo mag-isa. So, iba pa rin yung may napupush sa'yo or mag-go, kaya mo yan, yung teamwork. Iba pa rin yung teamwork na sama-sama kayo. Kasi ako, I started as solo runner talaga before. So, medyo na-discourage akong mag-PR. Kasi, nakakatamad. Pero kapag may mga kasama na kayong teammate, mapupush talaga kayo. Kasi, literally talaga, ipupush nila kayo hanggang finish line kapag ayaw nyo na tumakbo.
Okay. Yes, questions? Peter?